us live from the Wall, Ashisha.
Well, yes, turned out to be a good end to the trading week. Nifty is ending nearly 150 points higher for the week to end near that 26,200 odd mark. Nifty Bank clearly was in good mood today on the back of RBI MPC action that came in today, 25 basis point rate cut. Nifty Bank should also come up for you on your screens, up 470 points in trade today, ending near that 59,760 mark. Broader markets too were in the green today. Nifty Small and Mid Cap Index were gaining. Nifty PSU Banking Index ending the day 1.5% higher. All of these stocks continue to remain in focus. Nifty Mid Cap Index is ending 0.5% higher, but Nifty Small Cap Index, that one is ending in the red for the day. In terms of other individual stocks, let's put the spotlight on the biggest gainers from the Nifty 50 pack. We had Shriram Finance. That one is ending nearly 2.5 to 3% higher. 3% higher on Shriram Finance. This is the biggest gainer on the Nifty 50 index. Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv are also some of the other gainers. SBI ending 2.5% higher for the day. In terms of other losers, we had HUL on the back of that Quality Walls demerger which came into effect today. HUL is down 3.5% on the back of that adjustment. Interglobe Aviation, which continues to face operational challenges, although we have an update from DGCA that it has relaxed rules at least for the time being, but Interglobe Aviation falling in trade for the second consecutive day, down 1.5% in trade today. We also have Eternal, which was declining in trade. In terms of other individual newsmakers, remember ITC was in focus on the back of that big block deal that took place. BAT sold its stake. We also had Zentek on the back of order win. Railtel was also gaining on the back of new orders that came in. So yes, a whole host of movers from the broader markets, individual stocks that were buzzing. It was all about RBI MPC today, and Nifty is ending near that 26,180 mark for the day. So clearly turned out to be a good trading session. But that's all the time we have on this edition of the show. Thanks so much for tuning in. But don't go anywhere. More news and updates will continue on the other side.